even paying for Adobe like every single month is like crazy.
I'll tell you a secret. Can
I?
Here we go.
I think I kind of know, but go ahead.
Maybe, but I'll tell to everybody, right?
Okay.
So every year when I'm up for renewal, I literally just get in contact with Adobe and I'm like, hey, you know what? It would really be beneficial if I could just keep that trial price. And every year they say, okay.
Oh, shit.
That's it. Like, I don't try to, like...
Wait. So you mean to tell me all I have to do is just ask, and they'll be like, yeah, sure.
I mean, quite literally. And, like, one time... Okay, so this past year, the guy was like, hey, I'm so sorry. I'm like, what are you sorry about? He's like, well, because we have to cancel your current account, your new account's going to start, but... that means you're not going to have to pay for 3 months, and then it'll be, for 9 months, you'll be paying $30. I was like, oh, that's so sad.
You know what is funny about that, though, is that, like, when you try to cancel a subscription from Adobe, like, just online, they try so hard for you to stay. Yeah. You will go through, like, pages.
That's true with anything, really, yeah.
Yeah, but this one's just like, oh, why are you leaving? Oh, how about this? And they offer you like a cheaper price. I'm like, oh, that's kind of nice. Why don't you just have that at the price to begin with? Because I just canceled something recently, and they tried so hard to keep me. I'm like, nah, like, we'll give you 10 months free. Like, like, no, still, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Really
honestly, like, there's that side to it, just to ask, right? So there's this exercise, literally just go anywhere and just ask for 10%. Go get a coffee and be like, hey, could I get 10% off? And they're like, why? And they're like, just make me feel really good.
Yeah.
It'd really make my day if you could do that for me.
If you found something useful, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing with friends, and you can explore my films, books, and writing at philsvitek.com. And if you want deeper access, direct interaction, and ways to support my creative work, I have a Patreon page. Everything's linked in the description. However you engage, thanks for being a part of it.